I'm going to try something new today. I've got some extra cameras on the bike. I'll turn them on later on and see what they're like. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And what a glorious morning it is. I've got my mesh jacket on today, but that may have been a mistake. It's only showing 14 Celsius right now, and I'm speeding. Slow down, boy. But sun's out, bike's out. And I'm going to be trying something a little bit different today with the filming. I've got a couple of old GoPros that I've had for a while. One really old one because it's the original Hero 1, and a Hero 3 that I've had for a little bit that I haven't really used much. And I'm going to be trying out, see if I can use the footage and combine it with the helmet cam, see what that's like. And also today there's a roadside photographer that I want to see if I can get some good shots of me on the roadside. I'll put a link to him in the description. But he's on Facebook and he puts out events saying I'm going to be this place on this date. And you go along, you ride along, it takes your picture. Then you choose which picture you like. He posts it on Facebook with a little bit of a watermark. Excuse me. He posts it on Facebook with a little bit of a watermark on it, and you pick which one or which ones you like. You pay him via PayPal, and he sends you a nice non-watermarked copy of the image that you can do whatever you want with. I can't remember how much he charges, but it's a fairly reasonable price. So let's turn, got the microphone as well, so let's turn this on. Alright, so that's recording. That's going to be a synchronization nightmare when I'm done with this. Record. And you turn this on. And record. All systems recording, sir. Yep, side stand, you did. Oh, the camera's fallen over. Well, that's not good, is it? What happened there? There he is. Now let's do another pass. Let's try not to crash into the back of this car. Now we'll take a shot going the other way. Because I'm a tart. Ooh, look at me, take my picture, such a tart. Hello, sir. You should have been paying attention, he was looking the other way. That's not fair. Look at me! Right, I think that's enough of the cameras. Just a little test. Just to see how much of a drag it is to do all this nonsense. I got this one on a suction cup and I've put a little bungee there just in case it falls off. If it falls off, you won't hit the ground. You'll hit my bike, but it should stay on. This one, oh, the batteries died. This thing is so old, I'm actually surprised it lasted this long. Oh well. We'll see how much it actually captured. Huh? We'll find out later. Right, now we can stop faffing about with cameras and just enjoy a ride, eh? I enjoy riding and I enjoy filming, but sometimes the filming can get in the way of enjoying the ride.